Are your bad money habits draining your wallet? Imagine transforming your finances in just 21 days. It's not a dream, it's a proven system. Let me show you how to break free and take charge. We all have money habits we wish we could change. Impulse shopping, skipping savings, or maxing out credit cards. But the truth is, habits aren't set in stone. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple 21-day plan to break those bad habits and replace them with ones that build wealth. The first step to change is awareness. Ask yourself, what makes you overspend? Is it stress, boredom, or FOMO? Spend a week tracking every purchase and the emotion behind it. For example, if late-night shopping is your weakness, set a reminder to pause before hitting buy. Recognizing your triggers is the foundation of transformation. You can't just stop a bad habit, you need to replace it. If you're tempted to shop online, try creating a wish list instead of checking out. If dining out is a money pit, start meal prepping or invite friends over for a budget-friendly dinner. The key is to find a healthier, cost-effective alternative. Goals are your roadmap. Instead of vague resolutions like spend less, aim for specific, measurable targets. Save $100 this month by cutting takeout to once a week. Write them down and keep them visible. Your fridge, your wallet, or your phone background. Reminders keep you focused. Change is easier with support. Share your goals with a friend or use an app like Mint or a NAB to track progress. Celebrate milestones like your first no-spend week with a reward that doesn't undo your progress. Pick a relaxing evening or a small treat under $10. At the end of each week, reflect on what worked and what didn't. Did you stick to your goals? If not, why? Adjust your plan to fit your lifestyle better. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Every step forward brings you closer to financial freedom. Are you ready to take on the 21-day challenge and transform your money habits for good? Let me know in the comments what habit you're tackling first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to inspire others on their financial journey.